Baha'u'llah, Father of the Poor. Before Mirza Hossein Ali was called Baha'u'llah, before he was known as the Promised One of God, he was called by another title, Father of the Poor. Mirza Hossein Ali was born into a wealthy family. His father was a Mirza, a nobleman who was so respected for his talents, wisdom, generosity, and courage that the Shah gave him the title Bozorg, meaning the Great One, and made him governor. Mirza Bozorg owned a vast estate, and many peasants worked the land and tended his livestock for him. Often, young Mirza Hossein Ali walked or rode his horse through the countryside, stopping to speak with the peasants and learn about their lives and troubles. Believing that he would one day rule the estate, the peasants watched him as he grew and were no doubt comforted by the understanding Mirza Hossein Ali showed. When he was nearly 18, Mirza Hossein Ali married Asiyih Khanum, the daughter of another wealthy nobleman. Asiyih Khanum had everything a young woman in Persia could hope to have. She was tall and beautiful, wise, gentle, and kind. The young couple started their life together with great wealth and comfort. A jeweler worked for 6 months fashioning her jewels, even creating gold buttons studded with gems for her clothing. 40 mules carried Asiyih Khanum's belongings to her new home. The couple would, everyone thought, enjoy a grand life of power and luxury, filled with parties and important ceremonies. But Mirza Hossein Ali was not interested in living a life of wealth and ease. He had never forgotten the poor peasants whose lives had touched his heart, and so he was rarely seen among the wealthy and powerful. Instead, he and Asiyih Khanum took care of the poor. They listened to their problems and tried to help them. Often they invited them to share meals with them. No needy person was ever turned away. Because of the kind comfort she offered so willingly, Asiyih Khanum soon earned the title Mother of Consolation. And the generous, wise Mirza Hossein Ali was known as Father of the Poor. It was no wonder that Mirza Hossein Ali and Asiyih Khanum's children would grow up to have the same loving and generous hearts. One day, their son Abdul Baha set off to see his father's sheep, just as his father had done as a young man. What a sight it must have been! Thousands of them roamed the mountainsides. The shepherds were happy to be visited by their kind young master, and they prepared a feast for him. Finally, it was time for Abdul Baha to go home. The head shepherd drew Abdul Baha aside. "It is the custom to leave the shepherds a gift," the shepherd told him. "But I have nothing to give," Abdul Baha replied. The "They have just given you a feast," the shepherd pointed out. "You must give them something." Abdu'l-Baha thought a moment and then decided, "I will give them all the sheep." Abdu'l-Baha must have wondered what his father would say when he learned that his son had given away thousands of his sheep. But Mirza Hussain Ali only laughed. "We will have to protect Abdu'l-Baha from himself," he said. "Someday he will give himself away." Baha'u'llah truly was the father of the poor.